Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play all Steam games with any controller on PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner of the screen and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where you can customize various aspects of your gaming experience. In the Settings window, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Controller. This section is specifically designed to help you configure and manage all types of gaming controllers, whether you're using Xbox, PlayStation, Switch Pro, or even generic third-party controllers. Now, if your controller isn't already connected to your computer, click on Add Controller. From here, you can connect your controller either via Bluetooth or USB cable, and Steam will automatically detect it once it's connected. This detection process usually takes just a few seconds, so give it a moment to recognize your device. Next, click on Show Advanced Settings. This option unlocks additional configuration features that give you more control over how Steam handles different controller types. These advanced settings are crucial for ensuring compatibility across all your games. If you're using an Xbox controller, look for Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers and toggle it on. This allows Steam to properly recognize and configure your Xbox controller for optimal performance in all compatible games. For those using a PlayStation controller, you'll see PlayStation controller support with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select Enabled. This ensures your PlayStation controller works seamlessly with Steam's input system. If you're working with a Switch Pro controller, simply toggle it on when you find the corresponding option. The same applies if you're using generic controllers, just toggle that option on as well. These settings tell Steam to actively support these controller types across your entire library. Now that your controller settings are configured, click on Library in the upper left corner. This takes you to your game collection where you can apply controller settings to individual titles. In the left panel where all your games are listed, right-click on the game you want to use your controller with. Then select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens up the specific settings for that particular game. In the Properties window, click on Controller in the left panel. Then, in the right panel, click the drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. This final step activates Steam's controller support specifically for this game, allowing you to use your controller regardless of whether the game natively supports it. Here's an important note. When you enable Steam Input, you need to restart your game before playing. Make sure to close the game completely if it's already running, and then launch it fresh for the controller settings to take effect. And that's it! Your controller is now configured to work with any Steam game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.